Bullish hence cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $5.43 and $11.84 by 2030. Market examiners accept Ergo could reach $5.43 by 2025. Bearish hence market cost expectation for 2022 is 96 cents. Hence presentation. Hence is a blockchain with DeFi functionalities. It has an exceptional mix of top highlights from two of the best performing crypto projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Consequently gets shrewd agreements from Ethereum for its DeFi capacities and utilizations a POW agreement like Bitcoin for getting its organization. Thus mining convention is designated Autolycos, which is a changed rendition of the mining convention utilized by Bitcoin. This convention is intended to oppose ASIC excavators and enormous mining pools, making it exceptionally energy productive, hence additionally restricts the digging size for every hub, which further battles the negative ecological effect of the POW convention used by Bitcoin. The consequently likewise enables engineers to construct dApps on its programmable blockchains, which are utilized by Sigma SD and hence sales management firm, among numerous others. Therefore has an interesting point of view contrasted with other programmable blockchains like Ethereum, as it doesn't need exchange or gas charges. We will likewise be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, most extreme cost, current cost, greatest worth, and any hence's endlessly cost rise. This framework's huge benefit is unsurprising improvement costs, permitting designers to know the specific costs and choose if they wish to fabricate dApps on the Thus stage. One more variety in the Thus blockchain is ErgoScript, hence's prearranging language, close by furnishing engineers with more prominent adaptability and usefulness. The language permits clients to make scripts at low expenses proficiently, with the Hence group continually working to make the program safer and effective. The Thus network is turning out to be more qualified to DeFi applications with time. The Hence blockchain's local token is Ergo. The stage has a POW model, where clients need to purchase or mine tokens on an optional market. Ergo tokens are disseminated through block rewards, with a complete stockpile of around 97 million. What is therefore? The consequently blockchain has its own non-custodial decentralized trade called Hence DEX. Utilizing a drawn-out UTXO model, it empowers clients to move liquidity dividing among various stages Cardano organizations, and thus ErgoDex depends on the AMM, with likely arrangements to carry out a request book convention on its liquidity pools. This consolidation of a request book convention with an AMM convention is made conceivable via Cardano's and Hence's UTXO model. The model takes into consideration high interoperability and shared liquidity on the two blockchains. Clients are all boosted to help the ErgoDex environment. The group behind Thus, therefore, is supported by a specialist, serious group, from lead designer Alexander Chepernoy to fellow benefactor Dmitry Meshkov. Chepernoy is a blockchain veteran, having co-created various examination papers on blockchain tech. He has dealt with a few enormous undertakings, including the NXT stage. He cooperated up with Meshkov, who matches his aptitude in programming advancement, and the two sent off the Thus primary net in July 2019. Consequently specialized examination. While considering Consequently's possibilities, the undertaking absolutely has discernible qualities that could push future development. Joining a changed POW convention with brilliant agreements gives Consequently more prominent energy productivity due to higher protection from enormous mining pools. The Thus blockchain additionally doesn't need exchange expenses or gas like Ethereum and others, further bringing down the section edge for potential engineers keen on building applications on the Hence stage. As of recently, Thus group appears to have zeroed in more on specialized improvement than showcasing. In spite of that, the Ergo coin is as yet seeing critical cost increments and advancing onto extra crypto trades. On the off chance that the group pursues more broad advertising, Consequently might actually explode. As the stage presently stands, just the future can figure out if Consequently's particular mechanical highlights are enough for the stage's development. Hence current cost. Hence is presently worth $1.21 USD. Ergo has moved 3.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $730,999. Hence is presently positioned 243 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $70,815,143 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Hence to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Hence value forecast 2023. In 2023, Hence Ergo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ergo will before long outperform $3.02. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Erg's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Erg will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.66. Therefore, value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.23 and Erg might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Erg is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.86 and a low of $3.62 in 2024. Therefore, value expectation 2025. Assuming thus effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Erg coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Erg will be green in 2025. The Erg is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $5.43, with a base cost of $4.83 and a typical cost of $5.07. Hence, value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Erg cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.28 by 2026, with a base cost of $6.04 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Erg has a most extreme value worth of $6.64. Consequently, value expectation 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.49. On the off chance that Erg figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $7.85. Neglecting to accumulate the help Erg needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $7.25. Therefore, value expectation 2028. While Erg is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8.45 and a yearly cost close above $9.06 in 2028. Hence, value expectation 2029. By 2029, hence will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $9.66 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $10.27, averaging out at $9.90. Hence, value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Bitcoin wisdom makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Erg cost in 2030 is projected to be $11.84 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $11.35. The eventual fate of hence might actually go one way or the other. It could end up being a productive speculation where exchange protection is thought of. However, then again, thus has not been supported by any financial